Alright, so I only was able to save one portion of the clips that I saved from this, so you will see that next, and then the end screenshot. So I do apologize for that. I don't know what's going on, but just to give you a heads up of what we did, we used this beautiful honeybee, Be Happy, the Be Happy collection, which has got these beautiful golden honey colors, purples and midnights and teals and all kinds of fun things. So I took this yellow paper and I used that for my background, and then one of the teal strips, because I took these two pieces and fussy cut from two of the other 12 by 12 sheets to kind of just plop in, and then where they met, you know, covering the strip, I took some of the frames and fussy cut those out and popped them up on some foam tucked behind my photo here. This photo is of the 2024 third quarter design team. It's the announcement that is also popped up on foam and backed and two of the purpley color papers. They're very, very light, but they are there. They're little honeybees on there. Then I took, this is not supposed to be down there. This is supposed to be up there. Well, then I just took and put in some of the die cuts. Got them scattered around just to build up this area and this area, so it was a cascading design going down. So I'm going to show you guys real quick. I'm going to fix that, right? I did take some Dina Wakley gloss spray here in the gilt and just splattered all over when I was done. So we're just going to take it and we're just going to fill in this little area down here as one big drop. And then we can just kind of come in, put another big one there just so that it doesn't look too crazy, right? Alright. So we've got some big drops on there now too. After I filled that in, I did pop the edges up on some foam. Like I said, there's going to be one part of the process. I don't know which part that's going to be. I did take these two cute little honeybees, pop them up on some foam, got them stuck in there. Then I dug in my stash and found these epoxy flowers, stuck them in because they match the color, and just to get a little bit more of a mood and feel and dimension and vibe to the layout. I did take these little gold honeybee charms and pop them around as well as the half gold pearls. And you guys, I am loving the layout. I did take a gold G2 gel pen and just draw around the edges of everything, making some scattered sketchy lines. So let's just come in and give you a real nice close-up of what we've got going on. So that is my layout for today. Now, this collection was released in April, so head on over. I will have the Facebook links and everything linked down below, so if you can check out this. But Third Quarter Designs has the most glorious, luscious, beautiful paper. It is like, it is cardstock thickness on their pattern paper. But yeah, so I've popped in some foam up here just to give a little bit of dimension around the edges to some of the florals and leaves. This little honeybee right here. You know, just kind of popped them in, stuck some on top and underneath the frame. This is popped up. I just think it's just a really, really beautiful layout, if I do say so myself. But the collection is so easy to work with. So that is my cascading floral to document making the design team with the other lovely design team members. And if you have not checked them out, please do so. And I want to thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. And I do apologize for the interrupted video. You will see a portion of the process. It was the only clip that I was allowed to save. The rest of them were all corrupted, and I do not know what is going on with that. And then the close-ups will come. There'll be some nice little close-ups of all of these areas. So thank you guys so much. Do all the fun YouTubey things, like, subscribe, check out the Facebook group, join the memberships, do all the fun things. And I will see you later with another video. Bye.